What's up, everybody? Welcome to or welcome back to Hothead Productions, the MMA channel of unpopular opinion. Do me a favor and click some buttons. This is the start of our trail that we're going to take. Beautiful hike. Highly recommend it. Please don't be a dickhead and leave garbage everywhere, because that is absolutely ignorant. Respect the beautiful nature that we have here, but I highly recommend this hike. There's a few different ways you can go. Not super intermediate by any means. It's a nice little 5-10 minute hike before you gotta do too much work. Beautiful day out here. Thanks for coming along, everybody. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Another beautiful stop on the drive. Forcing myself to take in some beautiful nature today. Taking a break from the MMA content. Out here just soaking up some of this beautiful shit right here. I just want to make this video to let everyone know you gotta take a minute to appreciate your life. Even if you gotta go for a short drive. You know, there's always something to appreciate. Whatever situation you're in, I guarantee you, if you look at things from the right perspective, you can find something to appreciate. And that's what I'm doing today. Beautiful pond here on East Side Road. Also a bighorn sheep habitat, like the sign said. Also rattlesnake country. So we keep the ears open. Yeah, we do, right? We do that, right? We're doing it. Also time for the bears to wake up. So, you know, we are on high alert. We are. Motherfucker. Here's the year of the Harley. This is a nice little trail I just found. How about that? Car's locked up. I'm gonna take this short little hike because the girl was wanting to find a nice hiking spot, and I believe I just found this one. Bam! Ain't that about a nice find? Not too steep, so I can actually keep talking to y'all while I hike without sounding like a dirty set of bagpipes. This is a fucking cool spot. So we got the path going up off to the right. Keeps going around the corner, around the bend that way. We've got some couple spots you could kind of hike up this way. You essentially have a mountain canyon that is not that steep. You know, good 15-20 minute hike to see what's up there. We have a plaque here. This is really depressing to see that somebody's scratched off the native on this plaque. That'd be a dark, damp, dark cloud on this video. But that aside, cool little plaque here. Couple rusty cans, they definitely look antique. Oh, the one does for sure. That one, maybe not so much. Car's all locked up, so I'm just going to adventure as much as I can around here without... Ooh, cactus. We're on high alert, like I said. Oh, we've got some square blocks from the Egyptian pyramids here. It's kind of weird how these three trees, that is, look, you can tell all the roots are like in the middle. That's just weird. How those have fallen that way. I'd have to go check that out another day. But here we are, a cool little platform up here, just past that plaque that I showed you guys. Try not to step in any cactus. This is just a cool little area off of East Side Road here. Fairly clean too, easy to walk. There's another trail, or that's the same trail I was looking at. Just a neat little area. I wouldn't be surprised if there's some fossil in some of this shale rock. I would not be surprised at all. But that's for another video. There's some wildlife trails going up that way. Deer poopies, deer marbles. Something had a munch down here. Looks like some deer were laying here, some sheep. Gotta be careful I don't just roll into a herd of bighorn sheep as well, because there's a lot of poop here. That's probably what that is. I am just super intrigued by this area in general here. What a cool spot. Little rock here. Some quartz in it. So I can give speeches to the crowd. I can do a hip hop show here. What up? It's kind of some weird cuts of bugs here. Another can. Metal pole here. Weird. The fuck is that? Something related to power lines or something like that. Which probably be why most of the trees were cut down. That's probably what these are too. Tops of logs when they're done putting up their power lines. Once again, another Egyptian pyramid stone, square, completely square. More square rock up there. That's for another video. Leather case my phone's in is not doing me any favors on these videos. I gotta remember that. Square. It's a conspiracy. The Egyptian pyramids were built from BC rocks. Square. Thanks for coming along for the walk with me today, everybody. Here's a cool little look down over the pond where we started. I started over directly ahead in the middle of the screen down there. There's a little trail that heads down there, but doesn't look like nothing. That'd be more work than anything, I'd say. I'm more hungry than I am energetic right now, so we're looking for a low-calorie burn hike, if you will, alright? I haven't got any of these in my back yet, so that's good. Alright, I'm gonna go for one last little climb here. I'm gonna get a look over East Side Road, feel the burn. Just get out and do something. I just pulled over the car, we out here. Just living life. One moment at a time. Get out and get some. mental health. It's a serious issue, and you can help yourself. I struggle. I'm having issues lately myself. This doesn't fix everything, but it damn sure helps. It's beautiful out here. Just gotta be aware of the cactus and be aware of the animals. Watch where you step. Be some cool little beginner mountain climbing out here as well for people. It's windy as shit, but that's alright because I'm exploring a new spot and I'm loving it. It's all on how you look at things. It's super windy out. It is, yeah, it's okay. That's alright. Catch my breathy for a seckie. Car down there. And that's telling me I should probably head back because I still got a bit of work cut out for me now getting back to the ride. This is a beautiful hike. There's boulders here. This mountainside's all covered with moss. Trying to block the wind for you guys as much as possible. That's a neat little boulder over there. What kind of animals are living under there. It looks like you can see through it, but that's just another chunk of rock. That's a little cavern in there. That's for another video though. Alright. It gets a little more intermediate from here on out, so I'm gonna wrap her up. I'm gonna shutter down the video. Check out this big tree over here that somebody chopped down, probably just because it was maybe gonna be an issue going towards the side road here. Big old beauty here. Somebody took down, unfortunately. They dropped it away from the road, so that's probably exactly what they were doing. Some nice branches here would make some nice walking sticks. That's for another video as well. I got a lot of videos to do here. You know what I'm saying? I just keep getting pulled in directions up here. It's been a healthy distraction because I wasn't feeling too well. But the fresh air, I don't know if it's the fresh air, the exercise, or the beautiful nature, Mother Nature's beauty, but either way, I'm feeling better now. Much love. Thanks for tuning in. Give me a like, comment, and a subscription, baby. Ring the bell. Right after I stop recording, I find this big hole. It's literally like 20 feet by 5 feet by 6 feet deep almost. That's strange. I was hoping to see one of these little guys today. The start of our trail that we're going to take. Beautiful hike. Highly recommend it. Please don't be a dickhead and leave garbage everywhere because that is absolutely ignorant. Respect the beautiful nature that we have here, but I highly recommend this hike. There's a few different ways you can go. Not super intermediate by any means. It's a nice little 5-10 minute hike before you gotta do too much work. It's caught in the crossfire.